In this video, you'll learn how to import leads into Zoho CRM. By following these steps, you will be able to successfully upload your lead data and manage your customer relationships more effectively. Start by navigating to the Zoho CRM homepage. To do this, enter the URL for Zoho CRM in your web browser. Once the page loads, you should see the main dashboard with various modules. Next, locate the leads option on the main dashboard. Click on it to access your leads section. This area will display all existing leads you have in the system, allowing for easy management and organization. After that, look for the three vertical dots, often referred to as the More options, located on the right side of the leads section. Clicking on these dots will reveal additional actions you can take related to your leads. Once this appears, select the More option from the drop-down menu. This will open up a list of further actions, including the import feature you need. Next, click on Import Leads from the options provided. This action will redirect you to the Import Leads interface where you can upload your lead data. Now, you will see the option to import from a file. Click on From File to initiate the file selection process. This is where you will choose the source of your lead data. At this point, you can either drag and drop your file into the designated area or click on Drag and Drop your file here. If you prefer browsing for your file, proceed to the next step. Click on Browse to open a File Explorer window. This will allow you to navigate through your computer's files to find the leads data file you wish to import. Choose the file that contains your leads and click Open. Make sure the file is formatted correctly to avoid import errors. If your file is large, consider your internet speed, as this may affect upload time. If you are unsure about the file format, you can click on Download Sample File to obtain a template. This template will guide you on how to structure your lead data for successful import. After downloading the sample, ensure your data matches the template format. Once ready, proceed by clicking on Next to continue with the import process. The system will begin processing your file, which may take a moment depending on the file size. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.